In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image in Darktable. If your photo is sideways, upside down, or you want a mirrored version, this quick walkthrough will get you oriented in no time while keeping your edits clean and non-destructive. Start by opening your image in Darkroom, which is Darktable's edit mode. If you're currently browsing in Lighttable, just double-click the photo you want to edit, or switch to Darkroom from the top bar. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your image large in the center with module panels on the sides. Next, look for the orientation module on the right-hand panel. Depending on your workspace layout, it might be grouped with other correction tools. If you don't see it right away, use the module search field and type orientation to bring it up instantly. Click to expand the module so you can access its controls. Inside the orientation module, you'll find buttons to rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, and flip horizontally or vertically. Use the clockwise button to rotate 90 degrees to the right, and the counterclockwise button for 90 degrees to the left. This is perfect when a camera was held in portrait orientation, but the image appears landscape, or vice versa. If you need a mirror effect, choose Flip Horizontally to create a left-right mirror, which can be great for design symmetry or correcting text on a reflected surface. Flip vertically turns the image upside down, which can be useful for certain creative reflections or to correct an inverted capture. It's important to note that these rotation buttons make exact right-angle adjustments. That means each click turns your photo by precisely 90 degrees. If you ever need a subtle tilt correction, keep in mind that's a different task, but for fast, precise orientation changes, this module is the simplest and most reliable way to go. Darktable keeps your edits non-destructive, so you can experiment without worry. If you rotate or flip the image and decide you don't like the result, you can reset the orientation module to revert to your original alignment. Also, your orientation changes will be preserved when you export, so what you see in Darkroom is what you'll get in your final image file. That's all there is to it. Open your photo in Darkroom, find the orientation module, then rotate or flip using the buttons for exact, clean results. With this tool, fixing orientation takes just a few clicks, and your workflow stays efficient and tidy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing in Darktable.